I've got the Uniden system here at our place, and I've got a few cameras out the front, one out the back. The cameras are tiny. I mean, they're smaller than a coffee mug, so it's not like they're overly imposing on the front of our house or out the back of our house. You know, the solar panels look after themselves. It's all backed up onto an SD card or the cloud or something like that I'm never going to understand. But I've always found it really easy to access. The big thing for me is the access to the mobile phone, because if it was a more complex system, I'd probably struggle with it. But there's the Uniden icon. Which camera am I going to have a look at? Am I looking at it live or am I going back in time? And it's all there, so easy to use. I used it the other night sitting in my office in the front room because I heard noise out the front here and I could have sworn there was someone in my front yard. So I thought, hang on a moment, I've got the phone here, just dial it up on the phone, had a look through the camera, and then I could see, no, they're out on the street here unpacking a car or something. Also with children, it allows me to have a quick look at the camera so I can see what's going on at the sand pit or out the back near the trampoline. And the other amazing thing is being able to talk through the speaker, to have a conversation with someone who might be outside your home. So if there was somebody here who I recognised, I could be anywhere in the world and press on a button and have a conversation with them. It's not just about the security and the peace of mind, it's also just the convenience. With all these things being delivered to our homes these days, it's a way of keeping track of that. If you don't want meat sitting outside your house for half a day, if there's something valuable that's being dropped off, and if you set the notification so you get a text message when someone turns up on your doorstep, then you know the moment that thing has arrived. So easy. This system can be used by anyone. If I've worked out how to use this thing, anyone can use it. Anyone who's got any interest in their own home security or the security of their family, the safety of loved ones, you know, it could be good for your parents, it could be good for your children, it could be good for you. I'd encourage anyone to give it a go.